If you're someone who trains hard and loves the gym but just isn't seeing the progress that they want, this video is for you. Because I have the answer to your lack of gains and exactly how you can start reaping all the rewards of your hard work. For a lot of people, training is the easy part, and the thing that so many people get wrong is often the most simple, and that is getting optimal recovery. Now, recovering from your workouts definitely has levels to it. Some influencers would probably have you taking ice baths, getting expensive massages, or taking a laundry list of supplements every day. But that honestly takes up a lot of time and is really hard to stay consistent with. So I'm going to give you my best simple recovery strategies that you can start doing right away. And these tips are going to have you feeling well rested and strong in the gym without worrying about all the tedious crap. And the first step to good recovery is the most obvious one, but it's also the most necessary one, and that is getting good sleep. You need to be having about 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep every single night to allow your body to not only recover from the exercise you did in the day, but also build your muscles as a response from the stress you put on them in the gym. Getting that 7 to 8 hours allows you to go through all the necessary cycles of sleep, which is also important for your hormone production. And yes, that means testosterone, which is really important in your body's ability to build muscle and your mind's ability to focus. So go to bed at a decent time and focus on getting into a sleep routine so you're falling asleep around the same time each night. And to improve this even further, try to avoid things that are going to mess with your sleep quality leading up to bedtime. Substances like caffeine, alcohol, and Zaza can screw up your sleep cycles and prevent you from getting the benefits of actually sleeping. So avoid them in the hours leading up to sleep. And for even better gym recovery and more gains, you need to look towards your diet. More specifically, the quantity of protein and carbs. Protein gives your muscles the building blocks it needs to grow and recover from your lifts. And getting a proper amount of good quality protein in your day of eating will allow you to continue to build muscle. Without an ample amount, you'll be stressing the muscle without giving it what it needs to recover, which is going to result in pretty much zero gains. And carbs are equally as important here because they give your body energy and fill you up with glycogen. Not having carbs will seriously wreck your ability to train hard and will leave you feeling weak. So having good clean carbs in your diet is seriously important and allows you to refuel your muscles after using all your energy in the gym. Getting a pump is addictive, and sometimes it's honestly hard to not go to the gym. And it's easy to think that more is better when it comes to training, but that is not necessarily the case. And that's because you need to take rest days. Training 7 days a week gives your body no chance to have a break from the stress put on it by the weights. So taking 1 or 2 days off a week will allow you to recover and give the days you do go 100%. Build yourself a gym split that allows you to hit the muscles with enough volume each week while allowing you to get the rest needed. And rest days don't need to be just sitting around and not moving at all. You are better off using these days to get some light movement in, like cardio that won't stress your muscles further. Take a walk or mow the lawn or something, but doing a bit of easy movement will further your muscles' ability to recover and grow, making the days you do go to the gym all the more beneficial. Getting your rest is important, but when you're on a diet and you're limiting your food, it can be hard to feel well rested. So check out my video on screen right now about how to keep your energy levels high on a diet so you can lose fat without feeling like shit the entire time. And that's it. Love yous. Peace.